Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. We're here. We got a call out to do some spark plugs. This fella's got a car who has a misfire. You can feel it pretty steady, so we're going to switch out all those spark plugs and we'll figure out if it's a bad coil as well. In this case, I don't have my code reader, which might tell us it's a misfire on a certain cylinder. We could swap the coils and see if that moves with the coil. In this case, we will unplug the coil packs individually and see if that alters the idle of the engine. If it's working, when you unplug it, it'll feel like it's running rougher. If it's not working, you unplug it, there will be no change. So we're going ahead and swapping out these spark plugs here. This is the last one on this front side. We'll tighten it down in a moment. I always hand tighten them first because you don't want to cross thread them. We'll get to the ones in the back and then we will do our testing on those to see if that doesn't clear it up, which it very well may. Then we'll do testing to see which coil that might be. So we'll go ahead and get these swapped out. Okay, I'm still here under the hood, taking out the last spark plug now, but I can almost guarantee this was the problem right here. If you can see the spark plug, if it's focusing, just super corroded. You can see it's still wet, so it's got, you know, a lot of blow by. It's not burning all that fuel on it, but it looks like that insulator inside there, that ceramic's cracked, so it's probably sparking way up inside and just not igniting the fuel. So this is our issue right here. You know, it's not a guarantee this is the only thing causing the issue, but this is definitely was an issue. So, you know, sometimes it can be a two-part problem. It could have a bad coil as well on another cylinder. So it felt like it was just misfiring on one cylinder, so this is most likely it. But there you go, you can see right here that it was giving us some issues. So we'll go ahead and pull this last spark plug out. We've got the new ones in the front side here. We'll put the new ones in the back and get her started up and see if she doesn't sound a lot better. So let's get to it. All right, so that misfire is definitely gone. We've got a new belt on there. It's running well. There's no misfire. It's running nice and smooth. So that's a good tune-up. This was definitely our problem right here. So again, it could have always been a coil or something as well, but this was definitely causing an issue. Most of the time it'll be just one thing, but don't surprise yourself if sometimes it's two. So new belt, new spark plugs, she's running great, and I'd expect her to be on the road quite a bit longer as long as those regular maintenance things are kept up, oil change and everything like that. So we'll catch you on the next one.